Okay, so now we need to go to plot3, which is the same function of plot but using for 3D. We use it for 3D. So now let's say I have two variable called x1 and x2. Just for this example, I just simply take as equal to x, which means x I previously defined here. Maybe I should put here in case you forgot it. Okay, and now um, I have y, which is here. Let me put it in case you forgot it, right? And now I have z, which means calculated by using that formula. So that is this relation. I just randomly choose them. So no matter it is, I just do it randomly. And now I need to plot x, y, and z, right? So in my plot, I will have two line plots, x1, y1, z1, and x2, y2, and z2. So the only difference between this plot and the previous plot here, which is mean we need to put 3 here, you can see. And now in here we have two variable, but now we have 3 variable in this function because that is used for 3D. All the format is the same, so we don't have to change anything, and we just use for the same. So let me run it. Okay, so that is 3D, so you can see it in 3D space here, and now you can see they are right. So it depends on your situation. You can make it in the best view, right, and then save it in the figure. So that is plot 3. Okay, so one more thing is before I close the tutorial, the first tutorial about the line plot here, sorry. So if you using the MATLAB version 2016b or later, I suggest you to search and study for a function, an option called marker index. It is very strong and useful options in line plots. Why? Because if my x data here is from 1 to 100, let's say, and then you can see if I still plot that one, I can try it to you. Let's say 100, okay, and I can show you what is the things. Okay, so it should be x1 and should be x2. You can see now the marker is too close together because we have 100 points and we have 100 markers, so it's not really good. So in the version earlier than that one, people have to we often have to plot the line plot first and then scatter plot together and make it to become less crowded scatter. But in the later version, later than that one, we have option called marker index, which allow us to set up to decide which location we want to put the marker for the plot. So in that case, I already prepare a plot command here, which I use marker index. So I will put the markers at the first location, and then every 20 location, 20 data point, I will put another marker location. So my marker location in here should be 1, 21, and 41, and so on. So in case my data is very large amount of data, I will not have any problem in terms of very crowded scatter. So it that is how I often use. But unfortunately, in my current PC here, the MATLAB version is very old, so I cannot show you how powerful that option is. But actually, I will show you in the head file of the MATLAB here. You can see marker in this. Okay, you see 2016B feature, right? And here is marker in this. You can see they can do put some to some position of the data, and they put some in this here, and it avoid crowded scatter for the markers, right? So I will put the commands here in case you need it. And I think that is all for the plot options. The first option of line plots